how Smoke be. He be like that. Lee, hold it. Wait, Coco. Oops. Oh, he just knocked me down. That's where my dad be.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Get back. Get back. I got it all on tape. What happened? Hey, let's look at your back.
Coco jumped on you. Stop.
Hey, get out.
Ouch.
Stop. Badass.
He did that.
You started it. But don't worry, I got proof just in case he scarred you, because I got proof. Hey.
Stop.
Let me see it back.
That scratch?
I don't know. Turn around.
Let me see.
Coco power dried his ass.
What's the beat that moves your heart? How about the beat of a healthy heart? Campbell's Healthy Request Soup is delicious.
No.
And earn this heart for being heart healthy.
How it feel?
Feel the beat?
Okay.
It's amazing what soup can do. Your objective.
You was messing with him and he got you.
Mm-hmm. Playing tug of war. Joker finally snatched that back. Coco had enough. Jump right on. Come on.
What was he trying to get?
The bat.
Oh.
They both were doing tug of war with the bat.
Dad, what that?
Stop.